Today's defense news, the highlights. Indian Navy selects NewSpace for unmanned Wingman. India signs $340 million contract for Israeli-designed MRSAM systems. Russia offers to sell the Ka-2260 helicopter to India with newly type-certified Klimov VK650V engine. Russia offers to sell India R-37M long-range air-to-air guided missile. Tonbo Imaging showcases wave strike HPM DEW at Aero India. Tata Boeing achieves major milestone with 300th Apache fuselage delivery. HAL's HJT-36 jet trainer renamed Yashas with advanced modifications. WEM Technologies playing key role in the structural manufacturing, assembly and integration of AMCA. SMPP plans to raise 580 crore rupees of fresh capital to establish a new facility in Himachal Pradesh. India's next generation defense technology unveiled. AI, UAVs and autonomous warfare take center stage at Aero India 25. India in talks to buy Stryker combat vehicles, wrap up GE 414 fighter jet engine contract with US. India and UK announced several defense agreements. UK sets up dedicated cell in its MOD focused on India. In the global highlights, L3 Harris unveils amorphous autonomy software to manage drone swarms. And DARPA continues quest to validate quantum computing utility. The news in detail. Indian Navy has selected New Space Research and Technologies under the IDEX program to develop the Naval Collaborative Combat Air Vehicle NCCAV. This unmanned aircraft will work with the Navy's MiG-29K and future Rafale M fighter aircrafts. The NCCAV will be based on NRT's Abhimanyu Collaborative Combat Aircraft or the Loyal Wingman concept. The contract includes a minimum purchase quantity for a specified number of systems that the Indian Navy has committed to procuring once the platform is ready. Development of the Abhimanyu lightweight jet-powered NCCAV has begun at NRT. The Abhimanyu is designed with a low radar cross-section and a modular architecture, making it adaptable for multiple roles, including surveillance, electronic warfare, and strike missions. It is intended to be cost-effective and expendable, allowing the Navy to deploy it in large numbers. It is designed to support manned aircraft in high-risk missions, acting as a force multiplier by enhancing surveillance, jamming enemy sensors, and carrying extra missiles. India has signed a contract worth $340 million for the procurement of more than 70 medium-range surface-to-air missile MRSAM systems, which were jointly developed with Israel Aerospace Industries. The system will be manufactured by BDL, IAI's partner in India. MRSAM system is designed to counter a wide array of aerial threats with an operational range of up to 70 kilometers. It can neutralize aerial targets such as aircraft, guided bombs, helicopters, and anti-ship missiles. The system can track over 1,000 aerial threats simultaneously. The MRSAM system comprises a phased array radar, a command and control system, mobile launchers, and interceptors equipped with advanced sensors. The active phased array radar has a detection range of 350 kilometers and can track more than 1,000 air and 300 surface targets simultaneously. Russia is planning to offer its Ka-2260 helicopter to India again, this time featuring the newly certified the Klimov VK650V engine. This move aims to revive a previously stalled deal to jointly manufacture the helicopters in India. The United Engine Corporation of Russia has received a type certificate for the VK650V aircraft engine designed for light helicopters weighing up to 4 tons. This certification paves the way for the engines used in the Russian Ansat and Ka-2260 helicopters. The VK650V is Russia's first helicopter engine in the 650 to 750 horsepower range. Development of the VK650V started in 2019 with engineering tests completed in 2023. The engine received its type certificate in early 25. The VK650V engine has a takeoff power of 650 horsepower and is designed to operate as part of the Russian Ka-226T light class helicopters. Russia offered to sell India its R-37M long-range air-to-air guided missile known as RVV-BD for export, along with the opportunity for local production. This move aims to significantly boost India's aerial combat capabilities. Air Force's Su-30 MKIs are currently equipped with R-77 missiles, but the R-37M would extend the reach of the Indian Air Force, particularly for its Su-30 MKI fleet. The R-37M, also known as the RVV-BD in its export version, is a Russian-developed long-range air-to-air missile, also known by its NATO reporting name AA-13 Axehead. It is designed to eliminate enemy fighter jets and drones beyond visual range with a specific focus on high-value assets like AWACS, tanker aircraft, and C-4I Star platforms. The missile is an upgrade to the older R-33 missile, featuring significant enhancements in range, speed, and guidance systems. The R-37M was inducted into service in 2019. Tombo Imaging showcased their Wave Strike high-power microwave directed energy weapon at Aero India 25. This innovative system is designed to disrupt or disable electronic systems, offering a non-lethal option for neutralizing threats such as jamming, communication, or disabling UAVs. Here's how it works. High power microwave. The system generates high frequency microwaves that can interfere with electronic circuits. These microwaves are directed towards the target using advanced targeting systems, including search and track radars and electro-optical systems. The HPM waves can disrupt or disable the electronic systems without causing physical damage, making it a non-lethal option. What are its applications? It can jam enemy communications, rendering them ineffective. It can disable unmanned aerial vehicles by interfering with their electronic systems. It can neutralize various electronic threats over a significant area. The system is designed for mobility and can be mounted on a trailer connected to a light mobility vehicle 4x4, allowing for rapid deployment in various terrains. This technology offers a cost-effective and strategic solution for modern defense scenarios, especially where minimizing collateral damage is crucial. Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited (TBAL) has delivered its 300th fuselage for the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter from its cutting-edge facility in Hyderabad. These fuselages are made for customers worldwide, including US Army and the 6 units ordered by the Indian Army. The Indian Air Force currently operates 22 AH-64E Apache helicopters. The joint venture between Boeing and Tata Advanced Systems employs over 900 engineers and technicians using advanced robotics, automation, and modern aerospace techniques in its production. TBAL's 14,000 square meter facility is a key supplier for Apache fuselages globally, with over 90% of the parts used in the Apache aerostructure made in India through more than 100 MSMEs. Hindustan Aeronautics unveiled the new name for its flagship jet training aircraft, the HJT-36, during the Aero India at Bangalore. The aircraft, previously known as HJT-36, has undergone extensive modifications aimed at improving its departure characteristics and spin resistance across the aircraft envelope, leading to its rechristening as Yashas. The HJT-36, now Yashas, has been upgraded with state-of-the-art avionics and a modern cockpit, enhancing both the training effectiveness and operational efficiency of the aircraft. The modifications also include a reduction in weight and the replacement of imported equipment with Indian-made line replaceable units, ensuring a more self-reliant and sustainable system. Yashas is designed to be a versatile platform capable of Stage 2 pilot training, counter-insurgency and counter-surface force operations, armament training, and aerobautics. It is powered by the FADEC-controlled AL-55I jet engine, which offers an impressive thrust-to-weight ratio, optimized thrust management, and high reliability. One of the notable design features of Yashas is its stepped-up rear cockpit with a drooped nose, providing excellent all-round visibility and enhanced situational awareness. The advanced glass cockpit, equipped with multifunctional displays and a head-up display, further improves the pilot's operational capacity. The capabilities of Yashas extend beyond training. It is capable of performing aerobatic maneuvers, carrying armament up to 1,000 kilograms, and is equipped with single-point ground refueling and in-flight refueling capabilities, making it a comprehensive training platform for future military aviators. WEM Technologies played a key role in the structural manufacturing assembly and integration of the AMCA, which was developed by DRDO. WEM Technologies specializes in designing, developing, and producing systems for weapons, aeronautics, and special space applications. They are involved in manufacturing fuselages and generators for fighter aircraft, as well as developing onboard systems for defense helicopters and jets. WEM showcased indigenous weapon systems like the Asibal anti-tank guided missile and other missile systems for land and air defense at the Aero India. SMPP Limited, a designer and manufacturer of defense equipment and protection kits for land, air and sea platforms, showcased proprietary black diamond technology at the Aero India. Boron carbide, known as black diamond, is one of the hardest and lightweight materials, and its products are especially suitable for light armor solutions. SMPP is planning to raise 580 crore rupees of fresh capital to establish a new facility which is anticipated to be the largest private sector ammunition manufacturing site in India, covering an area of 800 acres in Himachal Pradesh. SMPP is a supplier of boron carbide ceramic kits and high performance polyethylene panels for aircraft armoring into one of the top two global aircraft manufacturers. It provided armor kits for several air platforms for an Indian helicopter manufacturer and international helicopter manufacturers. SMPP adopted a proprietary method of producing boron carbide ceramics with a nominal density of 2.58 grams per cc. This enables the company to manufacture single monolithic ceramic plate used in bullet resistance jackets and other products that make them light in weight. For air platforms, the company manufactures lightweight armor panels for protecting vital areas and critical parts of helicopters and aircrafts. These armor panels provide protection against anti-aircraft guns and hard steel core bullets. SMPP is the market leader in India of personal ballistic protection products made of composites in terms of value of domestic government orders awarded in 2024. The company's platform protection kits provide protection for vehicles, patrol boats, aircrafts, and helicopters to operate in combat situations, including counterinsurgency and anti-terror operations. Now let's see some of the key innovations showcased in the Aero India 2025. Autonomous multimode amphibious drone, a game changer for naval reconnaissance and special ops. AI-powered mission planning and debrief system, a revolution in combat strategy using real-time data analytics. MBC-2 swarm drone system, India's foray into AI-powered drone swarming capabilities. Indigenous P098 modem, a secure military-grade communication system enhancing battlefield connectivity. Gallium nitride semiconductor solutions, India's push towards next-generation radar and electronic warfare systems. LTE-based passive radar, a cost-effective stealthy solution for non-emitting radar capabilities. D4 radar of anti-drone system, a robust counter-drone technology tackling emerging UAV threats. Astra missile, India's indigenously developed beyond visual range air-to-air missile now integrated with frontline fighter jets. Naval anti-ship missile medium range, strengthening India's maritime strike capability. Rudram 2, a next-generation air-launched anti-radiation missile targeting enemy radars and electronic warfare assets. Ultra-light precision-guided munition, a lightweight but lethal smart munition for high-altitude precision strikes. Vikram 1 space launch vehicle, strengthening India's private space launch ecosystem. Miniaturized multi-payload satellite Garuda mission, a breakthrough in tactical space reconnaissance. Spaceborne, spaceborne lidar, enabling high precision mapping for defense applications. Gridded ion thruster electric propulsion, a step towards next generation deep space and ISR missions. Multispectral camouflage nets, providing adaptive concealment against modern sensors and radars. 10 AI weapon systems, TAIWS, a next generation AI powered battlefield control system. Bullet resistance jackets and helmets, enhancing soldier survivability in high threat zones. Soft lower limb exosuit for walking assist, aimed at reducing soldier fatigue and increasing endurance. India and the United States are engaged in discussions regarding the purchase and co-production of combat vehicles, along with finalizing a fighter jet engine deal. The discussions involve the potential co-production of Stryker combat vehicles manufactured by General Dynamics, acquiring a few hundred Strykers equipped with anti-tank guided missile systems, with the future prospect of co-producing these vehicles within India through a state-run enterprise. The acquisition is part of a broader defense collaboration with the US, including advanced munitions and maritime technologies, aimed at strengthening joint development, diversifying supply chains, and enhancing regional defense capabilities. The plan includes initial off-the-shelf acquisitions via the US Foreign Military Sales Framework, followed by co-production in India and eventual co-development of variants. The deal aims to replace the roughly 2,000 Russian lightly armored and armed BMP-2 personnel carriers in service with the Indian Army. The United Kingdom announced the formal launch of Defence Partnership India or DPI, a dedicated cell within the UK Ministry of Defence for deepening cooperation with India. Aero India also saw several defence cooperation agreements between India and the UK, which covered production of man-portable air defence systems MANPADS and lightweight multi-role missiles. Thales and BDL have signed a contract that will deliver laser beam riding MANPADS with an initial supply of high velocity missiles and launchers to be delivered this year. Following the signing of this initial LBRM contract, both Thales and BDL will further collaborate to produce lightweight multi-role missiles, laying the foundation for BDL and Indian industry to form an integral part of Thales's global supply chain. Establishment of an advanced short-range air-to-air missile assembly and test facility in India. On the maritime front, the UK and India have signed a statement of intent to design and develop an integrated full electric propulsion system IFEP for India's next generation landing platform dock fleet. As next steps, GE Vernova and BHEL are working to develop India's first maritime land-based testing facility to deliver LPD in the water by 2030. UK Defence invested 69 million pounds to secure Thales UK supply chain for key components used in the manufacture of missile in 2024. In the global news, L3 Harris unveiled a software platform Amorphous for controlling large swarms of uncrewed systems across multiple domains, allowing aerial drones, ships, and other platforms to operate together seamlessly. The software is designed with an open architecture to be platform agnostic and scalable. To date, the company has demonstrated the ability to connect multiple systems, but it envisions Amorphous eventually managing thousands of payloads, a key requirement for the US Defense Department, as it looks to better integrate uncrewed systems into operations. After a year-long technical review, DARPA will advance designs from Microsoft and California-based PSI Quantum to the next phase of its quantum benchmarking initiative. Through the program, DARPA wants to understand whether it's possible to develop a utility scale quantum computing system, which means that its computational value is greater than its cost by 2033. To do this, the agency is not only investing in companies' research, but it's also helping to verify and validate their plans and share the result of their work with the broader US government. Known as QBI, the effort builds on previous work under the agency's underexplored systems for utility scale quantum computing or US2QC. Both Microsoft and PSI Quantum have moved through a rigorous slate of technical analysis conducted by a team of more than 50 industry, government, and scientific experts. The next and final phase of the effort will focus on full system performance to validate whether their concepts can be built and operated as expected. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.